Okay, so you can see lots of stuff happening. The place is being painted, looks fresh, looks clean. Kitchen, countertops, new, going in, backsplash. Cabinets look great, and stuff being cleaned out here. Landscaping. The barn, that roof is new, by the way, basically it's a year old, and so that's ready to go. It's just a matter of what you want to do inside. The inside could become an office, could become an art area, it could become a gaming room. I don't know. And of course you've got the chickens. If you've watched the other videos, you've seen them over there. And then you've got this, whatever you want to do out here. Bigger garden, greenhouse, you name it. So we're getting about, let's say 2 weeks away, and then this house will be available. Fantastic opportunity for someone who wants privacy. Great location off Glen Road here in North Potomac, and solar roof. Lots of things here that are going to be make this a great home for somebody. So look forward to hearing from you. Message me 240-696-4133, 240-696-4133 if you want to get first access. So message me, find out if it's the right place. If it's not the right place for you, we have access to every place, my group. So no problem. Make your own decision. Take care. Have a great day.